Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I'm bringing you guys an updated blow drying routine, how I safely blow dry my natural hair and kind of get and achieve a salon blowout. So starting on freshly washed hair, I'm going to grab my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner that actually helps with smoothing and nourishing heat styled hair. So I'm going to apply that to my first section. Then I'm going to grab my chai, whatever you want to pronounce it, Iron Guard Protector Spray, spritz that on my hair. Then grab my rinky-dink $15 blow dry I got from the local beauty supply store. And I start off using the tension method, focusing on my roots only. For those of you guys who don't know what the tension method is, it's when you part your hair in sections so it'll be easy for you to manage, and you hold your hair as if you're stretching it. Instead of using a blow dryer attachment or a brush, you move the blow dryer in a vertical motion along your hair. It allows you to dry your hair and stretch your hair without over manipulating it and using an excessive amount of heat. Some people like to use the tension method on their entire section. I personally just use it to stretch my roots only, because the roots is the hardest part to kind of comb through if your hair isn't as detangled as it should be. So that, and because I really want to focus on getting my ends as straight as possible without flat ironing my hair, because I am planning to trim my ends. So the tension method would not have gotten my ends as straight as I needed in order to trim my hair correctly. So after the blow dryer comb has dried the entire section, I take a small tooth comb and just run it through the ends of that section. And not only does it get it straighter, but it also helps achieve that salon blowout. You know how like when you go to salon, your hair is like hella straight. No matter how many single strand knot, split ends and stuff your hair has, they get it really straight. So somehow I came up with this idea to use a small tooth comb to finish off the section of blow dried hair, and it helped my ends remain a lot straighter than it used to. So yeah, I continued those same exact steps on all the sections in my hair. By the way, if you're wondering why I started with sectioned off hair, you can go ahead and watch my wash day routine and or curly hair routine, and you'll see how I ended up with pre-detangled sections before I even started this process. Now, once I am finally done with this beast, this is how my hair turned out. Super big and full, which I expected, but a lot more tame than I used to. So I definitely think I'm gonna keep using this method for whenever I'm trying to achieve more of a salon blowout rather than just a basic blowout. Because honestly, my hair has never turned out this tame. Like, I have type 4 hair and it has never been this flat when I personally have blow dried it before. So I definitely did a job on this one. I will be having a video soon for you guys on how I trim my natural hair, because again, that is why I blow dried it in the first place. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be notified when I post that video. And as for everyone else, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Move your body 'cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times 'cause you're on me. Never gave a damn about what they say, 'cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is your name.